Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing video of Realme 5i smartphone. It's a very good budget smartphone which comes under 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. So let's do the unboxing and I'll give you the other details of the phone. If you guys are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of all my videos as soon as I upload. We are doing an unboxing video of Realme 5i smartphone. This was launched 6 months ago, but after lockdown the prices have changed due to the change in taxation, and this is the brand new budget smartphone under 4GB RAM 64GB ROM slot. This phone comes in two colors, aqua blue and forest green. Today we are unboxing an aqua blue variant. So let's begin with the unboxing. I had ordered this phone on Flipkart and so we have our phone, the 5i model name and the Realme brand logo and #1 quality smartphone brand. And below you can see the camera, the quad cam detail, and here's the price 11,990, but I got it in Flipkart for 10,999 for 11k. And here you have the manufacturing company details, and it's a 5000 mAh battery. So here you have the date of manufacturing, that is July 2020, so it's the very new piece. So here there's a Realme 5i branding and the Realme logo, and again the Realme 5i branding, and below you can see the SAR values. The SAR values is 1.80 for head and 0.631 for body, and it is a 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. It's designed by Realme and made in China. So let's open the box now. Let's open the box and see what we have got inside. So on the top we find a Realme envelope which says, "Hey, welcome to Realme family." Let's keep it aside and check what else is there in the box. Oh, there is our Realme 5i smartphone. Oops, it just slipped from my hand. So as I told you before, it's a aqua blue variant. We'll keep it aside and check what else is there in the box. So here we have the charger. It's a 10-watt charger, 5 volt and 2 amps. So the 10-watt charger, let's keep it aside. And then we have the charger cable. It's a micro USB 2 type charger cable, so we didn't get a C type charger cable here. That was so bad. We had expected a C type. It's okay, it's a budget phone. Let's keep it aside and let's take a look at the envelope, what is inside. So here you have "Welcome to Realme family" and the Realme branding, and inside we have some documentations. So it is the safety guide from Realme and quick guide also from Realme, and you have the SIM ejector pin. Let's keep it aside. Now let's take our phone. It's an aqua blue variant, as I told you. Let's take out the covers and take the phone out. It's a very vibrant contrast of sky blue, a very huge screen. You can see the line gradient design like rising sun. It's a very good design. To begin from behind, We have a physical fingerprint sensor and the quad cam setup with a LED flash. A good quality plastic which has matte finish to avoid scratches. Let's remove the labels. And it's a very good finish, pretty strong. You have a Realme branding. Let's go to the front. You can see a massive screen with a liquid notch. The camera is integrated to the notch. Coming to the bottom, we have a 3.5 mm headphone jack and a mic and a micro USB 2 port for charging and data transfer and speakers. Coming to the right, we have the power button, and to the left we have the volume rockers and the SIM tray. Let's have a look like what SIM tray we have gotten. We have a dedicated type SIM tray. As you can see, there's a SD card slot and 2 SIM card slots. So let's put it back. So coming to the top is very plain. You don't have anything on the top of the phone. The Realme 5i weighs 195 grams and it's moreover a sleek design, and the in-hand feel is also too good. The phone looks so handy. Let's go ahead and boot the phone and get back to you. We have booted our phone. Let's turn it on. So in the front you can see the earpiece, front cam and some sensors, along with that 6.52 inch HD plus IPS LCD display with 20:9 aspect ratio. Coming to behind, we have a very good quality plastic matte finish to avoid scratches. Let's go in and check with the settings of the phone. Go to phone settings, about phone. You can see here the device name is Realme 5i, the model number, and the color OS version is version 6.01 and the Android version 9. The processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 and it's a 4GB RAM. Device storage is 51.5GB available of 64GB in total, and the Android security patch level is the latest May 5th of 2020. Coming to the processor, Realme 5i comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 with ColorOS 6.1 and Android 9 Pie. Coming to sensor, gyroscope, accelerometer, proximity, compass, FM radio, there is no notification light sensor. Realme comes with an Adreno 610 GPU, so it supports good gaming also. Realme 5i also support camera to API out of the box, so you can install Google Photos and enhance the quality of your photos to the next level. Coming to the camera, we have a quad cam setup with an LED flash. The primary sensor is 12 megapixel and secondary is a wide angle lens 8 megapixel. Third sensor is portrait lens with 2 megapixel and fourth sensor is a macro lens with 2 megapixel. Quad cam setup makes the photo experience very good. So coming to the front cam, that is the selfie cam, it is a 8 megapixel and the screen is of 6.52 inches. It's a very wide screen, so you can take wide selfie pictures and it gives a very good output. So we get so many features within the phone, but the most important feature is the battery life. If the battery life is not good, all the other features makes no sense. But here Realme 5i is well equipped with a 5000 mAh massive battery. We can use it for pretty long time on full charge. All features put together, Realme 5i turns out to be the budget-friendly smartphone in the slot of 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM and Snapdragon processor, which is a package for a good smartphone experience. If you like my video, like, share, comment and please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video another day. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.